Well, I'm impressed. I'm shocked you're still alive after that.
It really is a shame, you know.
Every one of your friends is dead or burning under the rubble right now. And that Hashira, it seems the poison got to him after all, and now he's dead like the others.
But Goku, how would you fight against this? It's hard, isn't it, Tengen? The path that you've chosen.
I had 9 brothers and sisters. My father forced us to train as if our lives depended on it. The only survivors were myself and my brother, 2 years younger than me. And he was exactly like my father. They shared the same mindset, treating subordinates like pawns. I didn't want to become like him.
You've decided to reject the very same values that shaped you into the shinobi you are today, and enter the battlefield where those values thrive. It must be painful.
It's okay to do things a little differently.
Goku.
The boar-headed boy, the yellow-haired boy, and the commando boy. Take care of them, Uzui.
He's not dead! But how is that possible?
Mr. Uzui! To victory! Don't make me laugh! I can read it now! That filthy musical score of yours!
He turned my blood demon art into a song and deflected it! And he did it all using only one arm!
Despite carrying all that conflict within yourself, you insist on pushing forward and fighting. All so you can protect other people's lives.
Mr. Uzui! Don't stop!
Tengen, you are quite a remarkable child.